These are my gorgeous retro coffee cakes. You will need 200 grams of soft butter, 200 grams of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Give this all a good whisk. Then add 4 eggs. Okay, and then add 200 grams of plain flour, scrape down all the sides and preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 160 fan. I used muffin cases just to make a larger fairy cake rather than the usual cupcakes. Then you'll want to bake these for 25 to 30 minutes. For the icing, you will need 175 grams of soft butter, 350 grams of sieved icing sugar, and 5 teaspoons of coffee. I started off with 3 teaspoons, but then added another 2. These cakes turned out so light and fluffy, and just the right amount of coffee. They really are so tasty.